Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm so excited about this palette. I've only had this for about a month, but I have been waiting on this series to kind of film it. But it is super hyped up. There's lots of opinions on this palette, but I thought it was really pretty, and I do have her other palette as well, her first palette. So it is going to be the JACLYN Hill Volume 2 palette. I have her first palette, the Volume 1, and I actually really like it. Like, I think the colors are really pretty. They blend really well. It's a good formula. And Morphe is known for having really good palettes, so she teamed up with them to make her second palette as well. So I'm really excited to try it. I wore my purple today because I think I want to do like a purple eyeshadow look. Because I've been doing like pinks and then like a little bit of pop of color, but her palette's pretty extreme. So I kind of want to give it its best shot and kind of test out like the purples at least in it today. If I don't like the purples today, I'll definitely be doing like another tutorial on it to kind of test out the rest of the colors. So I'm definitely going out of my comfort zone today because I'm usually like a neutrals kind of girl. I don't wear like a lot of eyeshadow most of the time, but for the sake of this video, and I did want to test out the palette, that's what we're going to do today. So we're going to just jump right into it. But before we jump into this video, don't forget to click that subscribe button and hit that post notification bell. And yeah, let's just jump on into this JACLYN Hill palette Volume 2. Okay, so this is what the packaging looks like. Just like her first palette, it is just like an all white kind of packaging. And then I noticed that she has been doing like the silver kind of thing, because when she came out with like her highlighters and stuff, it was like a lot of silver packaging on it and white. So I mean, I think it's really pretty. I absolutely love her highlights. I have like the quad, I can't remember what it's called, but it has 4 shades in it and it's the lighter of the two, but it's really good. Like, that's the highlighter that I have on today. And I have high hopes for this palette because her first palette, like I said, was really good, and so has her highlighters. So she's making a really good comeback, I think. I mean, more power to her. She's living her dream. She's doing it, so props to her. But I mean, everybody has their opinions. It's irrelevant, but you know, here we are. So you open the palette up and it says, "To all my loving subscribers who have supported me all these years, this one's for you." So that is really sweet of her, and like, I think that's like a super cute like personal touch to it. But these are the colors. They are just stunning, like so stunning. I'm super excited to jump into these purple shades down here. I'll probably be using all 6 of these kind of like today, and maybe like add like a pop of glitter, one of the other colors, we'll just see. Okay, so I know I said I was going to do like all these purple shades like right down here, but I still think I'm going to go in with a neutral kind of transition shade, and I am going to go in with that shade, and it is called Perfectionist. The names of her colors are really cute. So I am just going to take a fluffy brush with Perfectionist on it and kind of pop that in the crease as my transition shade, and kind of concentrate that in the actual crease and then right above it towards our eyebrow bone. Okay, so that color blended out perfectly well. I think it's a really nice transition shade for kind of like any makeup look that you do. Next, we're going to go in with Therapy Sesh, which is that purple shade right there, to kind of deepen up the crease. It's very pigmented. These formulas are very similar to her first palette, which is good. I like consistency in a palette. We are concentrating this just in the crease right below that transition shade to deepen it up. Okay, then we are going to take our first blending brush that we use for the transition shade and then blend out those edges. Okay, and then next up, to deepen up the outer V, we're going to go in with that purple shade right there, which is called Not My Journey. It's very pigmented, like the rest of them. And like always, I'm just going to pack it on where I want it first, and then we're going to blend it out. And I'm going to take like a kind of smaller fluffy brush and kind of just blend it out. And blend it kind of like into the crease, kind of like midways. And then we're going to take that first blending brush and blend out those edges. Okay, I'm also going to take that same purple shade, Not My Journey, with a more precise kind of pencil brush and do my bottom lash line. These shadows are blending out like really well, and they blend into each other like really good. So I'm liking this palette so far. I think they're just as vibrant on the eyes as they are in the palette. So I think for all over the lid, I'm going to go in with that purple kind of shimmery color right here, and it is called A Moment. If y'all hear that loud noise, that's the dump truck. It's trash day. That shade is really pretty. Like, it's very vibrant and it looks really well. Do you guys see how good that like blended into that with just using my finger? This is a really good palette. Like, I'm really impressed with it. And I have like no fallout on my face. That's a really good plus. I almost feel like I don't even need to blend it out towards my outer V. Like, I feel like it just blended effortlessly. Like, that was with my finger. Okay, JACLYN, like, you coming back strong, honey. This is good. Okay, so that is it for the eyeshadow. I actually really like this eyeshadow palette. Like, those colors are really vibrant. They're really pretty. They blend it out really well. So I'm going to hop off camera and do my eyeliner and mascara. Okay, so this is the final makeup look. I actually really like it. I am really impressed with how they blended, the color, the pigment of them. So I give this palette definitely a 2 thumbs up. Like, I think this palette is so good, and I actually would recommend you going and getting it. I think it's like $49, but it has a lot of beautiful colors in it, and you can either go vibrant or you can go neutral, and like, it has pops of color, and then it has glitter. Like, I really give this palette like an A+. Like, I think it's like really well. It's probably been my favorite so far this week, but we still have 2 more to go. So I think tomorrow is going to be kind of more of like a natural look, but it will have glitter, so don't you worry. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you guys want to see any other kind of eyeshadow palettes that are kind of like hyped up right now. But before you guys leave, don't forget to click that subscribe button and hit that post notification bell. Also, go follow me on social media. It is going to be linked in the description box. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye!